ka Christ College kabla nakasnong umroy Riboy District kabade ka weni kislam ajin nang jing start akatam Riboy menta kasni kat Southrik nailar kalayo ban Rakhe lupa ya kasni la ilu jongkari India kane ka pre-Independence Day ban hakane ka juga kasni la yo ru ban Rakhe ya kasni Foundation Day jongkari ka college hakane kasni lawan ban idon bantalang no ba Charles Marngar MLA ban MDC ka Mawati constituency kumu Kongsan hakajin ringkat ka sister Samruti kabade ka head administrative jongka Christ College ka sister Dr. Grace Rose kabade ka principal kinung hikai lambat ki kun samla ki pulih akan Islam. La pun sungkun syushu akan jing Rakhe ling barik surgeon ruai ki jingshan bat kiwi ki bala shimanta tak samla pulih jong Islam.
Independence Day is a time for reflection and renewal. It reminds us of the sacrifices made by countless individuals who fought for the freedom and values we hold dear. As educators, we should play a crucial role in upholding these values, fostering an environment of growth, and inspiring our students to be thoughtful and responsible citizens. My dear friends, at Christ College, I hope embody the spirit of independence through your dedication to academic excellence. Your commitment to ethical values and your relentless pursuit of knowledge. Each day, you contribute to shaping a society that values freedom. Each day, you contribute to shaping a society that values freedom, justice, and equality. It is through your efforts that we help ignite the potential in your students, preparing them to face the future with confidence and integrity. This day serves as a tribute not only to the father of the nation, but also to all the remarkable leaders around the world. As we reflect on the extraordinary achievements, let us hold on to the belief that as responsible citizens of our nation,